Now the topic is resistance thermometer. Actually, the resistance thermometer under the category of the temperature measurement. To measure the temperature, we are having three different sensors are used or transducers are used. One is a resistance thermometer, thermocouples, and thermistor. Now we can see the resistance thermometer. What is a resistance thermometer? The resistance get changes. Let us take a particular wire that resistance changes due to the heat or the temperature. The change in temperature is directly proportional to the output voltage, or output voltage is directly proportional to the change in temperature. Actually, the resistance thermometer is used one of a arm of the bridge. Okay, this is output galvanometer or output voltage. This is the input. One of the arm which is connected by resistance thermometer. So resistance get changes due to the temperature changes. Therefore, the temperature changes, the resistance get changes. That it causes to change the balance condition. Therefore, the unbalanced current will be there. That unbalanced current in the bridge is directly proportional to the change in temperature. This is the basic concept of the resistance thermometer, or measuring the temperature through the resistance thermometer. That we can see the resistance thermometer. The resistance thermometer uses the change in electrical resistance of a conductor to determine the temperatures. The platinum, nickel and copper are commonly used in resistance thermometers. Platinum is most commonly used material in resistance thermometers because it tends to increase less rapid at a higher temperature than other materials. Measuring temperature range of platinum is 260 degrees C to 1100 degrees C, and it is also stable. The industrial platinum resistance thermometer is shown in the diagram. This is a thermometer. This one is a mounting thread. This is a connecting lead. This is a sheath. The lead support. This is the sensing element. Okay. The other temperature sensing element are nickel, copper, which are all used in bulb or well. This is a bulb or well. The resistance thermometer is connected with the balancing bridge, which is shown in the diagram. Here you are having a RT, resistance thermometer. The resistance thermometer or a sensing element have a high temperature coefficient. High temperature coefficient that is having a high temperature coefficient. R1, R2, R3 are the resistance that are all constant under a normal temperature changes. These are all constant at normal temperature changes. Under the balance condition, R1 divided by R2 equal to Rs divided by R5. In general, the sensing element is always away from the indicator and the bridge. The sensing element is bridge in the control cabin. The sensor is connected to the where we have to measure the temperature. Usually it's a boiler or any other, that it is away from the control board. Okay, that is the meaning. In general, the sensing element is away from the indicator and the bridge. The resistance are R3, R4 is shown in the figure, R3 and R4. Therefore, R1 divided by R2 equal to Rs plus R3 plus R4 divided by R5. When the Rs, the temperature changes due to the heat to be measured or temperature to be sensed. Balance condition of the bridge gets collapsed due to the temperature changes in the RT, I mean resistance thermometer. Balance condition of the bridge gets collapsed. Thus, the galvanometer shows the deflection. The galvanometer is calibrated with a suitable temperature scale. Okay. The requirements of conductor materials used in RT are: a change in the temperature of the material must be as large as possible. So, change in temperature of the material must be as large as possible. So, temperature changes correspondingly changes in resistance, that it must be very high. Okay, that it must be required. The change in the resistance must have stable relationship with the temperature. Resistance related with the temperature must have a stable relationship. These are all the two requirements by the material which is used in a RT. Advantages of RT. Measurement is very stable. Temperature indicator or recorders can be connected easily. More number sensing element can be connected to indicating and recording instrument. RT can be easily installed and replaced. Accuracy of the RT can be easily calibrated with a standard instrument. Resistive thermometer is used to measure a differential temperature. Remote sensing and indication are best suited for RT. Error of RT is plus or minus 0.25%. Temperature compensation is not required. Compensation is not required. Compact in size or small in size.